Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to take a look at a very special pair of shoes from Ichigo Ichie, shoemaker. Now, the bespoke work is done mostly in Japan, but he's recently opened a ready-to-wear workshop in Vietnam, where he's from, and I'm really excited. The boxes have the logo that he did for my first pair of shoes from him. He did this on the sole, did this on the box for me, and he seems to have adopted this in his boxes, which I think is cool. I saw it on the website the other day on a video he posted, and now here I have two more boxes that came. Now, the first pair we're going to talk about, this is a pair of his ready-to-wear that he sent me for free to take a look at, and so I'm excited to take a look at them. But he also sent me a bespoke pair that's been in the works since 2021. So now this is a Longwing in this beautiful suede, and just really exciting shoe. And again, I didn't even know this was a Longwing, right? So he said he was going to send me one and to take a look at, and so here we are. We're going to take a look at it together and see. Now, Lee is an enthusiast, okay? And I say that because when he does handmade, he does everything by hand. If you look at these stitches, these are stitched by hand. Everything that he does. Here we've got, a really tight waist, which he's carved by hand, but you can see it's 270 welt. If you look in there, you can see the stitching. Okay, and then he's got a 180 storm welt, but it's not like a regular split reverse welt. It's a little on the shy side, and it also comes down at the waist, really providing a nice look. He's got fudging here, but you don't see any stitching on top, and that is interesting. I know he hand stitches it, but normally you can see that stitching in there. So it's almost like he buried the stitching with the storm welt, which is interesting. I'm gonna have to write to him about it. I think that that's really cool. As you can see the stitching on the side though, which is really nice. Now, you beautiful, beautiful thick suede. Just take a look at that. Beautiful thick, very high quality leather as the lining. And this is a great Longwing pattern. You know, for those of you who don't know the history of the channel, I used to have two styles that I focused my collection on, and it was Longwings like this, and plain toe bluchers. So here we've got a really nice pitched heel, obviously also hand done. You get your beautiful customized toe plate here, which I love. Just a great job. Look at the pattern and just the work that goes into this is absolutely incredible. And I'm super excited. He decided to do a Longwing. I'm very excited for it overall. I think that this is going to be a great line for him, and I know that he's got some really aggressive pricing out there. So check out his website and see what he's doing. But as I look at the stitching, at the heel work, at the fudging, at the sole, you get this really nice traditional fiddleback. He's got a little bit of a curve here on the sole, which you can see. Just really, really exciting work. I can't wait to get them on the foot and see how they feel. But this the shape of the foot and so forth is very, very intriguing as well. So Ichigo Ichie in suede. Take a look. You'll be excited with what you see.